First, log into Canva at canva.com. Now click on the Elements tab on the left side and search for a square shape. Then drag it onto your canvas and adjust its size to form a rectangle. Next, set the corner rounding to 100 and the border weight to 12. Now change the border color to white. Then set the rectangle color and background to gray. Now let's add the animated background for the progress bar. In the search field, type blue sky cloud background. Under the filter option, select animated, then click on videos. Choose a background and resize it to fit inside the rectangle. Next, set the corner rounding to 100 and the border weight to 12, just like the first rectangle. Next, search for Cute Bee in the Elements tab, go to Graphics and select one. Place it where you want it to appear on the progress bar. Now adjust the duration of the animation to 0.2 seconds. Duplicate the video and adjust the length of the rectangle to create the effect. Once everything looks good, click on Share in the top right corner. Then click Download and select MP4 as the file type. Finally, click Download again to save your animated quiz progress bar. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy to follow tips and tricks.